Hello guys, with another video. This is the DVD player, which brand is Elta. Yeah, I would like to take it apart and show you what is inside. And there's always a screw, right? You have to take this, the other side of this, and couple other screw. Yeah, let's see. Start from here. I hope not too many. The other one here. Oh, come on. See. Always. Always screw things takes time. This two screw is gone. Let's see, the other screws are, I think, right here, one here. Right here, one here, right there, and oh, there's another one here. The other one here. Let's go and take it out. Oh, no. Alrighty. Always screw here too. Right? More screw. Right here, it's gone. Let's go and get this one too. Right, this is done. The other one here, right here, one here. Okay, it's still gone up. Here too. Come on, so many screws. Okay, maybe this time we can open it, huh? All right. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Okay. What else? All right. See. One here. It's holding. The other one is. This is the hold. See. Yeah. Okay. Now we have a tough time with this. Okay, that's done. Now I think this time. Alright. We did. Here you are. Inside. Wow. So many screws. And this is what is the laser mechanism. This is the one. And this is, I think, is power. And the other ones, whatever is it. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. Other than that, there's nothing, as you see. Right, guys? Okay, that's all about this. Nothing else. What is this brand? Elta DVD player. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you soon with another video.